Hi everyone, Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. Today we're going to use a cheat sheet. That's what we're going to do. It's banana pudding. Now I'm using two boxes of the instant banana pudding. Not the cooked. I don't like the cooked because it makes your vanilla wafers soggy. And I'm going to add 4 cups of milk to it. I don't know of anyone that doesn't like banana pudding. If you know someone, I don't think I'm one of them. My mother was the first to. She didn't like to make the real pudding, and because she said it always made the wafer soft. And she would let her pudding cool down before she put it in there. So from that, I think it just grew that this is what we all do. I think we all do this on my family. Does it the cheap way. Let's sit there for a minute. And I also put a package of whipped cream in mine. I think it's sitting up pretty good. And on top we'll put strawberries. Just a few to give it a little bit of color so I can leave it time. Okay, it's set up. Okay. Now, you just put the whole cart in. I'm using vanilla pudding. You can get banana pudding, but I can't find it now. I looked and couldn't find it. So that's not new. Everything is hard to find anymore. Just as smooth as it can be. I've already got the first layer of my vanilla wafers down. Start putting in the pudding. I think probably I can pour it in a minute too. And around our house, we don't really make one serving. I'll go ahead and double it because I know it's not going to go very far if I don't double it. Mothers know things like that, you know. Plus, all my grandchildren love it. So it's one of those good things for me. Quick dessert, wonderful dessert. Get their little hairs off of it. Okay, got that layer. Let's go for that layer. Okay. should have timed this, but I didn't. Because it is that fast. And back down to the bananas. And here we go. Now comes the next whipped cream. This goes on top. I put this in a bowl so I can put a top on it, but I don't have a feeling I'm going to be able to put a top on it if there's anything left. It goes a little bit high. Doesn't make any difference. Like I said, if there's any left. I remember when I was first married, whipped cream cartons were my Tupperware. I will say that strawberries are not very good this time of year. I don't think I ordered these. I think I got them by mistake. But I've got to take time and sit down and do it and check it. Well, I think I can go anywhere on this and take a big bite, don't you? It's a wonderful banana pudding. That's all I can tell you. Don't think I'll need a top for it after all. I think it'll be eaten before anybody goes home. So, go make a banana pudding. A cheating banana pudding. Call it a cheat sheet, like I do. But I love this, and I'm going to love it for everybody else to love it this evening. It's been a wonderful day. I love doing this. I love cooking for my family, so I'm sure you do. And have a good week. Remember the joy and the people that are suffering from COVID. It's different places. And subscribe, ring that bell, Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.